Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're going to see how to install gns3 on Ubuntu 18.04. gns3 is a graphical network simulator to design a complex network, and this is used to configure devices ranging from simple workstation to powerful Cisco routers. It is based on Dynamics, Peru and Dynagen. So we're going to install this using the repository. So before installing we need to add a gno repo file, and you can make use of the following command to do that. Now just press enter to continue. Now the repo has been added. As we are using a Ubuntu 18.04, it is not necessary to update the repositories after we are adding a new repo. So you can directly install. In order to install, you can make use of the following command. And then here, if you want to give access to non-super users, you have to choose yes. Now GNS3 has been installed, and you can verify the version by using a following command. So as you can see here, GNS 2.1.4 has been installed now. So in order to start GNS3, you can just type GNS3 and press enter. So now we're gonna create a connection with the local server configuration. So assign your server path here on your host binding and along with the port number, and configure everything and then click next. So now the connection to the local server has been established successfully. So here you can see the configurations and click on finish. So if you want to import a new appliance template, you can make use of this option, or else you can make use of specific options which is mentioned here. If you want to add a cloud, you can choose add a cloud, or if you want to add a virtual machine, you can add a virtual machine from the following settings. So this is how you create a project. Here you have to name the project test, and this will be a project saving location, and then click OK. Now your project has been opened. Here you can create a number of network simulator as possible, and you can work on it. This is how you install GNS3 latest version, that is 2.1.4 on Ubuntu 18.04. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com. Mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for any queries.